So here's the dash, here's the switch. You see the wire connectors in the back. And on this side, looks like, I don't know, you can't really tell, but it looks like that's where it melted. And then next to the blue wire right here goes this wire. This is the wire I pulled off last night and pulled it off of this terminal. Next to the blue, and the opposite side of, well, the other red that's there, and whatever melted over there. That's kind of a mess. Jesus, thank God the thing didn't burn up. Anyway, God bless.